Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue. While launching the Roblox, you got the error of the memory dump was captured to your clipboard. Roblox encountered an unexpected error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, make sure you unplug every external accessory attached to a system other than the required accessories. For example, any racing wheel or any other external device that is not required while playing the Roblox. And nextly is take help of a VPN. And for a VPN, you can use Proton VPN as it is free to use. Download it, install it, and then connect it. After that, relaunch the game to fix out the issue. Now, if this simple fix doesn't help you fix out the issue, you need to open up your antivirus. And at this point of time, you need to open your third-party antivirus if you have installed, such as Avast, AVG, Norton, or any other antivirus. And you need to add the exclusion right into the antivirus for Roblox. For example, this is my Roblox player file. Right click, go to its properties. Right in the shortcut tab, you will find the option of target. You need to select the target, right click and copy. And after that, you need to open up your antivirus. I'll take example of Norton antivirus. Launch your Norton antivirus and go to the exclusions and click on the option add. Right in the add, you need to add the directory of the Roblox like it is showing right over here. There are 4 or 5 files in the Roblox directory with .exe. You need to add all these 4 files and then try to launch the game. Or if it is better, simply go ahead and uninstall the third-party antivirus from your system. After uninstalling third-party antivirus, open up Windows Security. In Windows Security, click on the option Device Security and you will find the option of Core Isolation. Click on Core Isolation Details. You will find the option of Memory Integrity. Simply go ahead and turn it off. After turning it off, try to relaunch the game and this will completely fix out the issue of Roblox and unexpected error. Now if this also failed, the last thing you can do is to open up your web browser and you can use fishstrap. Download it, install it, and you can use until the Roblox developers fix out the issue for you. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.